Good morning, friends. Today is January 20th, 2021. You're going to start by writing number corner and the date at the top of your paper. Press pause if you need more time to do that. Next to number 1, we are looking at our calendar, and we are going to, first I'm going to flip it. So today we have a story. So when I come back and look up here, they're giving us this part, the story. So you just need to write the story down, okay? So again, I'm going to zoom in so you can see it. There were 30 birds in the tree. Some flew away. Now there are only 20. How many birds flew away? I will read it one more time. There were 30 birds in the tree. Some flew away. Now there are only 20. How many birds flew away? Okay, so now we've seen the card. Now you're going to write an equation that matches the story. Press pause if you need more time to write your equation. Now you are going to write a number tree that matches your equation and story. Press pause if you need more time to write your number tree. You already have the story, so now you're going to draw a picture to help show your work. Press pause if you need more time for your picture. Now you're going to write the answer with a label. Now we already know our topic is about birds. So your answer will include a number and the label of birds. Press pause if you need more time for number 1. Next to number 2, you are going to draw 2 different coin collections that have a total of 68 cents. 68 cents. Press pause if you need more time. Next to number 3, we are representing the number of days we've been in school. Yesterday we were in school for 72 days, so one more makes 73. So we've been in school for 73 days. Please write an addition equation that equals 73, a subtraction equation that equals 73, tally marks to show 73, coins that have a value of 73 cents, and your 10 sticks and 1 blocks for 73. Press pause if you need more time to complete number 3. Next to number 4, you are going to be writing 10 addition equations that equal 10. 10 addition equations that equal 10. Press pause if you need more time. Next to number 5, you are going to be writing your numbers counting backwards. Start at 65 and count backwards down to 36. Start at 65 and count backwards down to 36. Press pause if you need more time. Have a great day, friends.